Have you ever uncovered the invisible threads that could catapult your YouTube channel to ineffable heights without you ever needing to show your face? Imagine orchestrating a symphony of success with discrete notes, unseen yet profoundly heard. This is not just a possibility, but the unfolding story of how the quiet power of faceless content secretly shapes destinies in the digital realm. Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Unveil, an unassuming creator named Alex, who had quite an aversion to the spotlight, stumbled upon a timeless adage. The art of invisibility is often the supreme act of dexterity. Unveil was renowned for its kaleidoscopic landscapes and bustling streets, filled with illustrious and identifiable content creators, offering a unique backdrop to Alex's journey. Unlike his peers, Alex preferred to remain hidden, a whisper in a cacophonous world, a shadow lightly tracing the vibrant scenes of creative expression. There was a certain allure in crafting experiences detached from the tyranny of recognition, a freedom in the art of concealment. Yet friends encouraged him with skepticism, often asking, "But how will you ever make a mark in this crowded digital highway? How can invisibility stand out in a realm that champions visibility?" Therefore, with an adventurous heart and a mind brimming with curiosity, Alex embarked on the arcane journey of faceless YouTube content creation. It was on a seemingly ordinary afternoon, while sipping on his favorite oolong tea in a modest cafe, that Alex had a serendipitous encounter with Maya, a sage-like figure who claimed to grasp the celestial untangling of digital success. The setting was nothing short of cinematic. The dimly lit cafe occasionally flickered under vintage light bulbs, punctuated by the rustic aroma of brewing coffee, creating an ambiance ripe for revelations. "I scry into your obstinacy," Maya murmured, her words sharp and laden with intention. Her cryptic expressions ignited a deep curiosity within Alex. "Tell me more," he responded, leaning forward with keen interest. Maya's voice bore the subtle gravity of secrets well kept, the cadence of her speech woven with wisdom and intrigue. "Have you ever pondered on subliminality? The notion that what is not seen is often most potent?" she posited, inviting Alex into a realm of thought he had yet to explore. Thus Alex was plunged into an epiphany, the seeds of which Maya had planted in that transformative conversation. Could uploading faceless content be akin to weaving spells, each viewer ensnared by an allure they could neither understand nor escape? Alex was captivated by the idea that invisibility could be his greatest strength, a tool to captivate and mystify an audience, longing for connection beyond appearances. But there was more to this alchemical approach. To harness the full potential of faceless content, Maya continued, one must recognize two invaluable catalysts: the enigma element and the relatability resonance. These were not mere whimsical terms. They were whispers of an obscure truth, hinting at the spectral forces driving engagement in the vast digital landscape. The enigma element, Maya detailed further, is your calling card, your fingerprint in an amorphous realm. It is the art of revealing just enough to fascinate yet withholding enough to beckon your audience back for more. Thus, intrigue became Alex's steadfast accomplice. He learned to craft narrative puzzles that invoked curiosity and compelled viewers to return, each video leaving a trail of breadcrumbs leading deeper into the labyrinth of his channel. Each upload was a journey, a mysterious, inviting path that beckoned the curious and rewarded the persistent. Furthermore, Maya introduced the relatability resonance. A masterstroke lies not in grandiosity, but shared threads of life's ordinary fabric, she intoned thoughtfully. It was here that Alex realized the potency in unassuming shared experiences that transcended the superficial. Evoking stories and emotions that touched people's lives without visual identity became his dominion. With these narrative tools wielded adeptly, Alex's channel bloomed into an exploration of universal tales, oddities, and truths that attracted an audience seeking refuge in faceless familiarity. Yet, Every fairy tale harbors trials and tribulations. As the channel gained traction, Alex grappled with the dilemma that unmasked creators often exploited quick fame gimmicks, whereas his course demanded patience and gradual yield. Instant gratification was not the path he walked. Instead, his journey was one of gradual construction and consistent curiosity. But he persisted, guided by the inexorable dance between the subtle and the unseen. As the milestones unfurled, so did validations of his chosen path. His audience wasn't merely a statistic. They were a community, awaiting the next enchanting story spun from shadows. In this digital age, where authentic connection is often elusive, Alex's growing community found comfort and connection in the stories told not by a face, but by a voice. An unseen guide through narratives both fascinating and familiar. As twilight fell on Unveil, Alex found solace in retrospection, his quiet empire flourishing under veiled mastery. From adversities, he gleaned an invaluable lesson, that the power of anonymity is often more enduring than fleeting fame. However, the mysteries of this faceless craft were yet to unfurl entirely. There were nuances still to be explored, depths still to be plumbed in this unique form of storytelling. And you, dear viewer, may be wondering, what other ethereal discoveries lie just beyond the horizon, ready to transform your faceless channel into an indomitable force? Stay tuned, for the next episode delves into mystical alliances and the wizardry of unknown collaborations that could forge your channel into legend. Until then, as you contemplate the beautiful enigma of faceless content, remember this simple truth. Often, the unseen holds the universe within, providing a canvas for endless possibilities and uncharted creativity.